What's up guys, it's JCTNF here. I've used many of the Apple Watch models that have been released and I'm excited for the new Apple Watch Ultra. What with the largest screen ever on an Apple Watch, the biggest and brightest display, and the largest battery ever. It's also $200 cheaper than the $1,000 everyone was expecting it to cost. It has a problem though that not many reviewers are talking about. It is no longer a jack of all trades, and I think the sleep features are practically useless on this Apple Watch. This is why you need to buy this accessory on day one. This accessory is the 40mm Apple Watch SE 2nd generation with the Sport Loop. Welcome back. Yes. You're thinking to yourself, why buy two Apple Watches? You already spent $800 on an Apple Watch Ultra. Now I'm telling you to buy an Apple Watch SE. It's not that unusual. If Jeff Bezos can buy a smaller yacht for his big yacht, you can buy this Apple Watch SE for your Apple Watch Ultra, especially when it will be so helpful for when you're sleeping. The Apple Watch Ultra is the phablet of watches. It's big, really big. It's the most rugged and capable Apple Watch ever released. Titanium case, precision dual frequency GPS, 36 hours of battery life. But like I said, it's no good as a sleep tracker. Sleep is one of the most important healthy functions that your body does. It helps brain function. Sleep deficiency is linked to depression. It reduces disease risk, such as high blood pressure, diabetes, and strokes, among other things. It also keeps weight under control. A proper sleep tracker can help you recognize patterns in your sleep habits, which leads to a healthier you. Do you still feel tired when you sleep from 9 p.m. to 5 a.m., but not from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m.? Do you sleep better when you exercise or when your room is cooler? The sleep tracker can help you figure this out. This is where the 40mm Apple Watch SE 2nd generation with Sports Loop comes in. You need a watch that is comfortable to put on and that you can almost forget is there. The Sports Loop is soft, breathable, and lightweight and features a hook and loop fastener for a quick and easy adjustment. The double-layer nylon weave has dense loops on the skin side that provide soft cushioning while allowing moisture to escape. On the reverse side, the attachment loops are securely attached for superior durability while sleeping. Of course, it also makes for a good backup watch that complements the Apple Watch Ultra, and at $250, it is a steal. Let's get to the unboxing. I always love unboxing Apple Watches. The package just folds out into an elaborate design. As you can see, I have the 40mm midnight colored aluminum model. Let's go ahead and open this up. It really feels like you're opening up a Christmas Day present. So in this box, you have the Apple Watch and the documentation as well as the charger. The watch itself is in a paper packaging. You can just undo the packaging and pull the watch out. So the screen is actually made out of Iron X glass, which makes it pretty durable. I also have my 44mm Apple Watch SE 1st generation. Let's compare them side by side. Disregarding the size, you can actually see that the color of the gray on the new Apple Watch is definitely darker. But other than that, the biggest difference is the back of the Apple Watch. You can see that instead of the back being made out of ceramic, it's actually made out of a nylon composite, which is really just a type of plastic. Now let's get it set up. Just press and hold the second button on the right hand side. Okay, it's turned on. Now you compare it with my current phone. Okay, I'm just going to put this to the side. Okay, hit agree. Hit don't share. I will create a passcode. So as you can see, you can still make use of an older feature, emergency SOS, as well as two new features: crash detection, in case you're in a car crash, and backtrack, in case you're in a remote setting. Apple Watch can record your route in case you get lost. I will set up Apple Pay later. The Apple Watch is now syncing, and while it's syncing, let's look at the watch band. I got the 40mm Midnight Sport loop. So this is the sport loop. As you can see, it's a typical nylon loop watch band. We talked about it earlier. I bought this band with my Apple Watch because it's one of the more comfortable bands for sleeping in, and I wanted to keep the cost as low as possible. Let's attach it to the Apple Watch. This is the smallest Apple Watch I've ever owned, but I'm really looking for a watch that is just for sleeping, and I think this watch fits the bill. Now let's go to the sleep app. As you can see, I haven't been getting a lot of sleep, so I'm really hoping that this changes things around. Now let's put this down. So there are really two reasons to buy this Apple Watch. One, you bought an Apple Watch Ultra, you realize it's too big and you need a smaller watch to sleep in. This fits the bill. Or two, it's your kid's first Apple Watch and you want to start him off with something small. If you already have an older Apple Watch SE that's 40mm, definitely don't get this one. But for those of you who are accustomed to 44 or 45 and decided to make the jump to the Apple Watch Ultra, this Apple Watch SE is a must-have accessory. Comment down below and let me know what band you got for your new Apple Watch, whether it's the Apple Watch SE, Ultra or 8. And if you like this video, please be sure to like, comment and subscribe. This is JC, Tech and Finance, signing out.